We were deck staining yesterday.
Yeah, we heard. Your mom was showing us pictures.
Put down 5 gallons of stain and I run short. It's kind of pissed about that. Thought I'd had enough.
It looks nice.
Thank you. It's fucking hot too.
It's hot.
It was hot.
Oh yeah, I bet. Jaden, are you videotaping me?
Yeah,
Why?
just do.
I feel creeped out now.
Why?
Hey,
I grabbed it out of the camper.
No, you didn't. I had one in my pocket.
Yeah, because I gave it to you. Must be out of fish here.
must be. They're all in the bucket.
Smoking cigarette. Are you blowing my face?
Jaden, stop it.
No.
I'm gonna videotape you and see how you like it.
No. You did go to me when I was little, remember?
You didn't care then. You didn't seem to mind. So how are the boys?
Kids are doing good.
That's good.
We're in, we're both in Scouts.
Oh, cool.
Do you want me on camera, Jake?
Flatter yourself if you'd like me to be on camera.
Huh? You don't care on
I
camera?
don't care if you're on camera. You can film me if you want to.
Thanks.
They're good. They're both in Scouts and soccer. Shit gets real here in a couple next week.
What is that?
Well, Scouts is going. Soccer gets rolling full time.
Are you a coach?
I am the leader of the Cub Scouts.
Oh my god. You hear that? Do you wear that brown shirt
No, I do not have one.
with all the patches on it?
I don't have one. No,
Come on.
no, I haven't.
Any kind of a sash?
I haven't gotten there yet.
Oh.
I haven't
They
subjected
teach you
myself
the
to that.
correct
Do
way
you
to.
wear a
Did they teach you the correct way to molest young boys?
No, they have not.
They haven't introduced you to that.
That's all. That's all done now.
That's all done. They quit
all-
doing that.
Yeah, it's all done. They quit doing that.
Oh. Just kidding.
Yeah, they quit doing that. They kind of got in trouble for that.
I was thinking we should go over by those couple of stumps.
Jaden, stop.
No.
You're harassing me.
No.
Yeah, this is harassment.
No, it's not.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, this is my last year of that because Mitchell's in 5th grade. And Sam's in Boy Scouts now, so I'm done
Is
with
he
it.
still a redhead?
Yep. Still
Aw.
ginger.
Aw. Oh! Oh, I thought you had one.
No,
Still a ginger.
Jaden.
Jake's
all
got
right,
one
that's
though.
enough. I don't give you consent. Uh-oh, the lily pads.
What are you going to say about this?
Stop it.
You fucking kid.
They rip you off.
My hook fucking come off.
Oh, no.
Your hook came off.
Yeah, I tied it on. Fucking weird.
Why don't you videotape them fishing?
Because that's not pissing anybody off.
You said you don't care about videotaping and
Jaden.
fishing.
Video.
don't care.
Jake give you permission. I did not.
Well, I'm going wherever. You don't carry online, Mom?
Hmm?
You don't carry online?
I don't want to be online.
Oh. Why? Several liked the video.
What kind of online am I?
Online?
Yeah, like what kind of
Like
online?
Facebook or YouTube.
Okay. Are you gonna become a YouTuber?
Maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe the same emails I have. And
If you can manage not to get kicked off again.
You got kicked off of YouTube?
yeah.
How?
I don't know.
Piece of shit.
Some people have.
Well, he did.
That's awesome.
I'm not saying it
What
to the
was that
camera.
that keeps flying on?
I think. I didn't want to get hooked on the root with that.
Oh, that was,
That's why I kind of jumped it out of the water like that.
wow.
Yeah, so you don't go on the lily pads like I did. Then you
But you got
caught
a fish on. You didn't have much choice.
What'd you catch?
herpes.
Herpes?
Yeah.
You know, they say if they're not his piece,
You want to cure our
if
YouTuber,
they're not
Mom?
his piece, they're herpes.
That,
Mom, you want to cure our YouTuber?
yeah,
or no?
just, you have to ask permission if you're gonna put a video.
No, in my video myself, you will cure a YouTuber person?
No,
or
you're 18. You do what you want.
Still in Sturgeon Bay.
Yeah.
Got the store yet? Is that rocking?
Doing good. Becky's our new
Do you
secretary.
have to wear your mask?
No.
I hate wearing a mask on.
We only had a store mask mandate when Alice was there, but
Oh my god, how fucking dumb was that? I never had to wear one at work. It was so awesome.
you didn't.
No.
They didn't make you.
No. It's not my business if you wear one or not. You don't have to wear one.
Jaden, watch out. Would you sit
You have
down?
you have a health concern down there. Health reason, yeah. Okay, I can't ask you about it then. Wear one if you want. Don't wear one if you want. Don't if you don't.
We had some customers that would make us wear them. In the
Well,
whole
I
store.
had one by me, and I did have to wear it a couple times. Like if I just we'd have to ask him, hey, if you'd be more comfortable.
We'd go in the, like if we stop at the gas station, I'd make the guys put them on because most of the gas stations had them.
It was a little more lax around here.
I never had to wear a mask all day long.
Let's try a different spot. I think we're out of fish here.
People were pretty against it around these parts.
Yeah.
Really? Oh,
Yeah.
they were all for it around our part.
Not around these parts.
Lots of masks.
No.
Sit down, Jaden. We're gonna be moving here.
Well, Claire different. I was down in Madison one day. They like that. Everybody's fucking bickering at me. So they're fucking model stuff or new construction stuff.
Yeah.
We do almost
Fishing.
all residential remodel.
Oh, let's go on let's go read my fishing videos. You, you said it will be on your Yoke here online or my
I
channel?
don't want to be online. Not today. Oh, there's a hole in that thing. Oops. Uh-oh.
I'm no good at this game, Jaden.
Huh?
I'm no good at this game.
Fishing?
Oh, had one.
What are you doing right now?
Did you sell your greenhouse?
No, not yet.
My sister lives in there.
Should somebody trying to sell it?
Not yet.
She might.
I don't know what we're gonna do. I think it'd make a great VRBO, but I don't know if I want to deal with it.
That's a lot of shit too.
But it's got pretty good fucking income. You'd run for every Packer game.
True. Yeah, no, true. You could. Forget about that.
God, they could have a church and people stay in there.
No shit.
You just need some fresh water. You might have to let the water out of that popper so it doesn't sit so long. Live action. Should we keep that one for her?
It's running about the same as the rest of them, ain't it?
It's a little bit smaller.
Yeah, fucker.
Well, they can.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, I got it. I saved it.
Sir,
Yeah,
Jake,
yeah,
how you sister doing?
doing good.
So I'm gonna like this video, you know. Where are you at, Mom? What place are you at?
I'm not sure.
Marshmallow Lake.
Marshmallow Lake.
Any hot action over there?
Yeah, they're okay. I just missed one. Oh, I did. Were Mom and Uncle Bill bickering the whole time? Not bad.
Not
huh?
at all. I haven't
No?
heard any bickering at all.
Oh my god.
This mom
Who
always
bickers?
saying smart shit all the time.
Yeah, Mom.
No, he's been pretty quiet.
Oh no, Mom. Uncle Bill. Bill doesn't do the bickering.
Oh.
Mom.
How the hell did it come about that Uncle Bill's living up here?
You know, that's a good question. He needed a place to camp out for a while. I don't know. He's got some crazy shit going on that doesn't make any sense whatsoever.
Yeah, I know.
Was he talking about the drones last night?
And
Yeah, he pointed at something over there and he said that that thing moves over there, and I was like, well, that's Jupiter.
Your
He
mom, your
And
mom,
he didn't believe me at first
your mom said they
until I
killed.
pulled up my Skyview app and showed him. I'm like, see, That's Jupiter.
I don't know. He
You're
got
not-
involved with some fucking people he shouldn't have or something, and the world's out to get him, and people are looking for him. I don't get it. I don't know.
Where did he come from?
What's that?
Was he living here the whole time?
You know, all of a sudden I'd get a call from him. He'd be up at the hotel by behind Quick Trip. Real classy place now.
In Bloomer?
Yeah. Yeah, it's no good. And I don't know why he was fucking hanging around up there. Hanging around with some deadbeats. I don't know. And now all of a sudden he's in trouble.
I looked on their website and it said Tom Cruise.
I thought it was non-favorite color again.
Blue.
Blue.
Yes.
So I called her this morning and I called around noon. He's like, I don't think I got it.
What's your favorite color?
Well,
Red?
we'll come later.
Blue.
I'm like, well, we'll come later. And then we got in there and he's like, I don't think these people are coming anymore. He goes, fuck them.
Oh, nice.
And I have this. They
Paul?
brought us out to this old girl.
Paul.
I don't know if it was Paul or what's the other one's name.
His twin brother Dave.
Both
And
of
then
them were in there working.
then there's Steve. Can't hear you. You can yell at his face, and he just reads your lips. Kind of blonde guy.
So we're down on the other side of that stump.
Yeah. Yeah, they don't do the Saturday night thing anymore.
What's that?
They don't do the Saturday night buffet anymore.
That's what's wrong with things.
Just for,
Because crab's so expensive.
yeah, all that shit got really expensive.
Okay, sit down, Jamie. Let me go back.
Nice rock bottom.
Nice what? Lucky bottom.
Nice rock bottom. Sticks and mud come up. Are you getting my good side on camera?
Yes.
Okay, good, thanks.
Or do you want to go down further?
No, try this right here, right?
Where you go right
Side.
now?
Just down a little bit.
Where are you leaving? You don't know? You like a smile in the camera? Smile. Why? Can you smile for me? Just one time, please. Smile, come on, do it. Come on, for fun. You want to smile on the camera?
I know it ain't very deep here. Jesus.
Do you know some people use YouTube video for fishing video?
I have no idea.
Did you know that?
No. Oh, these poor little fishies in here. Did you videotape the little fishies in here?
There we go. You can be online, I promise you. You don't care?
No, I don't want to be online.
Why? Why ever like that video?
Yeah, what if you get lots of likes?
Alright, now it's recording again.
Okay.
Oh, what was that?
Fish.
Was it?
It was.
Again?
They're hungry. You ever eat a worm, Jaden?
Huh?
You ever eat a worm?
Yeah.
I haven't.
Can you hold my camera, Mom? Fishing?
You're not gonna eat a worm.
No, I'm fishing. You can hold my
Oh.
camera?
No,
Why?
I'm not doing that.
Just hold my camera video to me about it.
No,
Why?
I don't want to be involved.
Involved? you hold my camera? Do it.
Oh, for sure, I'd get one by this stuff.
You cannot cast, Jaden. You're gonna mess it
There's
up
that
again.
other. There's that other
Here.
pole I grabbed out of Mom's hanging.
I know how it casts.
There you go.
My face on there?
Doesn't have a tip on it, but it should still work.
What do you mean?
Just a tip. Missing.
Oh, that's okay. It's okay. Some are like that.
Are you holding the camera up normal? or-
Yeah.
You should be on Fleet Farm.
I should be at Fleet Farm.
No, be on John Gillespie, remember?
Oh yeah.
I was on there one time.
John Gillespie.
Yeah.
Yeah, he was on John Gillespie holding a fish
Were you really?
on the,
You
on the
see
pro.
me or
Yeah,
no?
at the end when he shows pictures
Yep,
of
yep.
people with
Did
fish.
you see me on there?
No.
Some people did.
I think it's right around there.
Still is it still recording?
Are you watching your bobber?
Yeah.
Stories about John Gillespie.
I bet.
We were fishing with this one guy one time. My one friend from down by Milwaukee. He hired a guy to take us out on Pedenwell. Down by Adams area. Adams Friendship.
Mm-hmm.
Well, he took us out there to get walleyes. And he was telling us stories about how one time they caught a nice northern and John was out there fishing trying to tape a show and he wasn't catching shit. And so they had it was probably like close to 40 inches, he said, and John come over, he says, "Hey, can I borrow that northern? I want to make him a star."
Mm.
Came over, hooked him on his thing, stuffed it down the hole and started taping.
Wow.
You gotta make.
Yeah, you gotta make tape.
Yeah, I mean, for him, what's the difference if somebody else caught it?
Right.
He's there promoting the people. You know what I mean?
The,
The Floyds and
All those guys are huge cokeheads too.
Fleet Farm.
Found that out.
You know, they gotta get some content somehow.
Lots of blow
Well, I don't
in
know
that
how you'd
industry.
be that excited about
Huh?
fishing otherwise.
Lots of blow in that industry, yeah. Oh yeah. Guys, my GM rep was telling me one time Babe Winkleman showed up to speak one time and they wouldn't even let him talk because he was so coked out and drunk. He said he was just a mess.
Or they escorting him out and he's like, "I'm fucking Babe Winkleman." I'm fucking Babe.
Probably. He said,
You don't fucking talk to Babe like that.
he said they wouldn't let him speak. So he was just rocked.
Jaden, please don't cast that.
You want me to help you?
How you cast
Just
that?
give him that pole tape.
Here.
I
I
think
don't
you
know how
can
to
cast that
cast
one
this.
because it's got a button.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, here. We'll switch. You're in a good spot.
Thank you very much.
You bet.
Should we move down?
Yeah.
I wish I had these poles. Originally, how you use that? It's still aquarium, Mom.
Mm-hmm.
Originally, how you
Oh. Did you do that, Jaden? Just
Yeah,
now?
he just cast it.
Is that one does it have a button?
Yeah.
Yes, it does.
Oh, why wasn't he using the one with a button the whole
hate
time?
Because
that
there wasn't one
aquarium
in the
thunder.
boat with a button.
Where did we get that one from?
My mom's car.
Reel it in now.
Are you done fishing?
No.
No, we're moving.
Is the camera still on or no?
Yeah, get it in here.
You're off right now. Back over here today, Steven. Jake.
What's that?
Back over here, Steven. What do you want to say today, Steven? Sorry. Sorry, I don't want to drop my.
everything?
Yes. Phone. Pull over. I don't want to drop my phone. Jake, you ready to go home?
What's wrong with that?
The car.